Hello everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a directory in Command Prompt, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you'll want to open Command Prompt. To do this, type cmad in the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Then, right-click on the app and select Run as Administrator. A prompt will appear asking if you allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Once you're in, you'll see that you're currently in the Windows System 32 directory. From here, we can change directories to any other folder on your system. Step 2. Let's say we want to go to the Program Files directory. You'll need the exact directory path, which you can either copy and paste or type manually. Once you have that, type cd, which stands for Change Directory, followed by the directory path. Then press Enter. Now, you'll notice that you've successfully changed to the Program Files directory, and you can access all the files within it. Step 3. If you want to access a subfolder within the Program Files, simply type cd again, followed by the name of the folder. For example, if you want to enter the user folder, type cd user and press Enter. You're now inside the user folder, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to change directories in Command Prompt, including how to access subfolders. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.